Hey, it's Ben. I've got this Christmas tree stand. The company sent this over to me to make a review. So let's check it out. Okay, so I'm just going to get this out. We'll unbox it and go from there. This will already come tightened down, and so you'll start by unlocking it. And inside here, there's a spike there to help secure the tree. So you're going to put your tree down in, and then you're going to use this foot pedal to tighten down the spikes around it. And once it's tight, you can push these red buttons downwards and it will lock the pedal in place. And then you can pour your water into the reservoir here, and there is a little floater here with an indicator to tell you if you're at maximum. And this will tell you when you have half left and you can add more water. Then when you're at the end of the season, ready to release this, you unlock the pedal by pushing this all the way upward, and then push this forward and it will unlock your tree. You can get rid of it, store this for next year. Now I will say this base is very heavy. Here's the bottom of it. It has this grid for just securing to the floor better. Some star decorations to go with the holiday decor. And there is sand in here, so it's definitely weighted. I mean, this is pretty heavy. This does come with instructions. These were very clear to understand, and they can show you how to put the tree in and how to take the tree out at the end when you're done. We don't have a tree yet, so I'm just going to demonstrate with this piece of firewood. So it's going to go down right in the center. Then we're going to step down on it, have somebody secure it so it's nice and straight. Make it nice and tight. We're going to push this down so that this can't come up and release it. And at the end of the season to release, we just pull up. We can take it out. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.